Hi friends, we are gonna finish our visit for this beautiful place speaking about birds. They have here different kind of birds and strange birds like this rooster. You never see that the rooster has that kind of claws at the head. It's very strange. Now we have this animal that is very strange but is beautiful because has different colors of the flowers. It's very nice and he has a so long tail. I don't know if he can to fly. Thanks for your attention. This is all, and I hope that you come to this place. It's very nice. Goodbye.